Hola, baby. Alright, adios PDC. Off to Tulum with this baby girl.
VagaBondVito.
It's great when your driver's got a little Xolita, the name of the breed.
Breed is Xolo Squinkle. It's like more common to say Xolo.
You're so pretty. You're so... I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby. Did you miss me? Did you miss me, girl? She missed me. Wow, that was a nice beach.
Good, huh?
Yeah, I wish I can swim. The water is so beautiful. Siéntate. Siéntate, baby. Siéntate, amor. Siéntate, amor. Ciao bella, che si chiama? Here's a little extra tip for you too. Ciao baby, ciao baby. Nice. I'm gonna miss my girl.
VagaBondVito.